Hello everyone, welcome to Drawleaper channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to add weather widget in the home screen in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is touch and hold in the home screen. Now here you can see widgets option. Now then tap on it. From here scroll down. Here at the bottom you can see weather option. Then tap on weather. Here you can see there are 5 kinds of weather widgets. You can select any one from here as you like. If you want to select this, you have to touch and hold it and then drag it on the home screen. And you can see we can add weather widget in the home screen. Now if you touch and hold it, then tap on settings. From here you can add your location. If you tap on change, from here you can add your current location. And that is how you can add weather widget in the home screen in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.